people who don't know how to chicken. So this is for, these feeds are for adult chickens. So we used to have the baby chicken feed, and we used to feed them that. So you can put it in a jar, whatever kind of thing you need to put it in, but we put it in a jar. We use 1 scoop of each because this is like half the jar. So
and why do you put the stuff in the tote on the bottom?
Because we want the chickens to eat the stuff in the tote first, because it's the layer feed. Right? Layer feed. And then this is cracked corn. It's not as healthy as the other stuff, but it's still pretty healthy.
Well, it's healthy, it's just not specifically made for laying. It's just regular
Can I show
food.
the texture? This is the texture. See that texture?
Mm-hmm.
It's cracked. So then we close the tote. And now we gotta go set our water up for when we're feeding the chickens and watering them. Like this. Could you let them pull me out?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. You getting the flashlight ready?
Yep.
So I set the food right up here, but I don't think that's such a good idea for a video. But I need to get them some cold water because they don't want to burn their tongues.
Right.
And you can use a big jug, burn your water in, whatever you want to do. You can do whatever you want to do. You just need to get it in some kind of container to carry it. Because you can't carry water in hands, you know. Have to loose, right?
Yep. Okay.
And now we gotta go outside. When it's close to winter, you need a flashlight. And hope you have a guard dog, because we do. Hey, Sunshine. Sunshine's over there.
Okay, Seth. Come on.
Oh, she's sleeping. And right into the spider web.
Oh.
It was just my hair, maybe. So you gotta get into the run if you have one. If you don't have a run, just put it outside. Because, you know, chickens have claws. That's their defense mechanism. Is their claws. The claws is what they use to defend themselves. I gotta bring this out. Because I gotta feed it. And this is how you clean your dishes, your water dish. You take it out, dump it, pour a little water in it, swish it around, empty it. So,
Yeah, good.
see? You might want to stick it in there so you get to it quicker, but I like to stick it out here so they have more space, because, you know, when it's sitting in there, they get kind of cramped.
Yeah.
So, this is what I do. I'll leave if I have to. And if you use dog dishes, good idea to use them. So here's the feed that we've showed you. Pour it right in the dish. Get this out of the chicken's view.
Okay.
Then if you'd like, you can let them out here. But if you rather crawl in the coop or have an extension, you'd rather crawl in the coop. It's not as easy, but if you want to have an extension to just pull that, you can. But I like to let them out here so I can just stand up. But I have to close it right after I get them out. Come on, girls.
Why?
Because they're individuals and they're different kinds, and they're all built for snow. And I wanted to name them because I like naming animals.
Okay.
And Aviva will be going for show and tell tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, right?
No, tomorrow's Thursday.
No, tomorrow's Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Well, she'll still be going Friday. She'll still be going because she's the oldest one, and I bet they might want to see her.